Articles in English language by Let's Learn English. Do you think you have a good sense of English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we will learn some articles to test your knowledge. All the best! Grace is dash good friend of mine. A, B, the, C, an. The answer is A. He is dash class monitor. A, B, the, C, an. The answer is B. The. We saw dash elephant in the forest. A, B, the, C, an. The answer is C. An. Martha's dress is dash best. A, the, B, A, C, an. The answer is A. The. Dash flowers are very beautiful. A, the, B, an, C, A. The answer is the. How did you do? Leave a comment with your score. If you can improve your vocabulary, you'll have a lot more ways to express yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to receive regular updates on our videos.